I have to glue the stuff on here to my wreath. No problem. So I have already glued in the big leaf for the back, and then I'm going to add my beech nut here next to the fruit stands of the rose, and where do I want them? Maybe we can do this way. No, it was not as I had hoped. But we are also gluing in this. We could add in here. And this one there. I want one to go under. No, you stay. Okay. This is still drying in the sun. I'm going to glue my second project together. It's just ordinary cardboard I used from my cornflakes box. I'm going to glue the rings together now, and then I'm going to work with some leaves. My dear fellow collectors, I started with the second idea that I have for a second wreath. This time we are going to use the leaves itself to decorate the wreath, and I'm going to do it like this. And protect them with let's see if my idea works. I am not sure, I have never tried it before. I want them to stay in the position I give them. Maybe we need a second layer later. I'm not sure, let's see what comes out of my idea. I have several colors. I really like the different shades of red and yellow that you can find at the moment. It's harder to find red leaves here than yellow ones or brown ones. I'm not sure why we have not so much red. I removed the little clips from my wreath here, and it has already dried overnight. I let it dry for one night, and now let's add some more leaves. Let's see what we have in our leaf collection. Okay, this goes. Maybe we are going to glue the leaves this time. Not the ring. I want it to go over here. And let's clip it. Let's see how it develops. I have found yesterday some more of these big ones. Maybe we use a little one here. I just want the paper, the card box to be covered with leaves. I want it to look natural, of course. Oh, not good. We try it again. Maybe we add this here. Okay. I just want to cover the cardboard. So. We can add this one here. Okay, let's do it. Okay, I still have. It's just a very, very easy knot that I do. You can do it this way, for example. Just go under your last and then that keeps the whole thing in place. If you want to do it this easy way, you can also do it on the back, which I did on this side. I have hidden it a little bit. Okay, so let's try our second wreath and see what we get. So now let's trim off the edges here. And then we are almost done with this. And now I remove the laundry hangers, or whatever they are called in English, I don't know it. Okay, so now I've done my little leaf wrap and I want to decorate it a little bit. Now let's see what we have here. Maybe we can use this little thing. I have a second one here. As you can see, some of my leaves are turning black. When I collected them, they were red and they had beautiful red shades, but now they turn red somehow, and that's not what I wanted or what I like. Okay, so now let's do maybe move this thing around and glue this in for our DIY fall Barbie fall decor for 2019. Let's do it this way and the smaller one. Before it. Maybe here, so that you don't see the glue so much. Maybe I have a little fly in here. Okay, maybe we are going to use this little leaf here. And maybe an oak. Fruit stand. I still have some empty hazelnut capsules here. Maybe we are gluing it there in place. It's empty but still beautiful somehow. Well, let's do it this way. I'm just thinking about maybe doing something here. Maybe a leaf here. It's just a little bit of making my wreaths beautiful. What do you think? Do you like this?